Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a iPhone battery. Okay, this is the iPhone 5 model. Let's start the video. This is the battery we have to change. So, and second thing is you need to remove the screws. I have one tool for removing the screwdriver. So, if you want to buy the screwdriver from online, I will give the link in my description. You can buy from online. And in this case, I have only one screws, so I just open the one. There is one opener also. This one also you can buy from online. I will put the link in the description. And you have to open very carefully, because if you make it a display someone will change before, maybe it got broken. So just careful and do slowly. Here you can see we got a little bit open in the bottom side, so just careful, just open, because the main clip is coming from in the on the top, so just careful. Okay, and here you can see the phone already prepared from somewhere else, so there is no shield of the display and battery shield. This is something, so just disconnect the battery. And I think the battery also, because somebody changed, so there's no gun. So in this case I got easily to open the battery. So if you have your one, you have to try like this, and you can put some liquid to remove the battery gun, or like tinder, petrol, something, only a little bit for that to remove the gun. And here you can see I just can do that is so easily. So next we have to install the new battery. And first of all, you have to connect the battery connector on the motherboard, and then you just fit the battery position. Otherwise maybe you can't be fit properly, because the new one, the connector will become a little bit different position, so it will be very difficult for you. So first of all, you have to connect the battery on the motherboard, and you just keep the position in the phone. So we are done. Let's on. Okay, it's getting on. So, and second thing, we have to check the battery storage. And the battery, if you are changing new battery, maybe it's not getting charging. Maybe it's some problem. So first of all, we need to check, then we will fix. Here you can see the battery very low, so I'm going to connect the charging cable. Yeah, you can see the percentage is 8. let's wait. We need to know the battery storage or not. After a few minutes later, yeah, it's storage, now it's 11%. So it means battery is good, so you can fix the battery. So now I'm going to fix the battery, so just switch off the phone. And disconnect the battery from motherboard. Here I'm going to use T7000 account. So if you have any kind of gun like removable gun, you can use that one also. Don't use any flex cube and maybe super glue, something like that. You can put like this. Not so much, just a little bit for to do not shake. In the same way, you have to install first, connect the battery with the motherboard, then just fix the position. Okay, fix it like that. In this case, I don't have any battery shield before, so if your phone is new, maybe you will get the battery shield, but also you have to install. And you have to check the point, the top point. First connect the point, and second just slowly from top to bottom. Very gently. Do not do any force, because if you do force, the display will break. You have to check your panel, back panel is not damaged. If you drop, it will be maybe bent, it will break your display also, so just careful and check and go slowly. And here you can see we are done almost. So just screw the bottom screw. I hope guys you all like this video. If you have iPhone 4, 5, 6, 5s and 6s and 7, 8 also, you can do like this, because in 6 Plus from the more new version, maybe you have to eat the display because some cube cannot come from there. And 5 there's no gun, so you can open easily. Anyway, thank you guys.